What if I tell you, a young man, sitting inside a tiny Japanese bedroom, once shook the entire stock market of Tokyo? A man who turned a small amount of money into millions. A man who outsmarted banks, hedge funds, and even history's biggest trading mistake. But the strangest part? You won't find his full story in any official book, because no one really knows who he truly was. This is the mysterious rise of Takashi Kotegawa, Japan's most unpredictable, hidden, and legendary bedroom trader. While the world was recovering from economic shocks, one anonymous trader was quietly building something impossible. No mentors, no team, no institution behind him. Just a PC, a cheap apartment, and a brain that could see patterns no one else could. Within a few years, his name spread across underground trading forums, not as Takashi Kotegawa, but simply as BNF. Some called him a genius, some called him a myth, and some believed he was cheating the market. Today, you're going to hear the truth. Takashi was born in 1978 in Japan. He didn't grow up wealthy, no elite education, no corporate background. After college, he chose not to take a traditional job. Instead, he locked himself inside a small room and decided, I'm going to beat the market. He started with 1.6 million yen, around $13,000. This was not enough to trade big, but Takashi had something far more powerful, unmatched discipline and brutal patience. He followed only one strategy: find panic and trade against it. When people sold in fear, he bought. When people jumped in excitement, he sold. Slowly, small profits turned into bigger ones, and the world was about to witness something unbelievable. Unlike common traders, Takashi didn't chase indicators, news, or predictions. He had one rule: price tells the truth. Everything else is noise. His setup was simple: multiple monitors, level 2 order book, real-time volatility tracking, ultra-fast reaction to panic moves. He rarely held trades for long, sometimes seconds, sometimes minutes. He was not a gambler, he was a hunter waiting for the perfect chaos. And that chaos arrived in 2005, December 8th, 2005, Tokyo Stock Exchange. A trader at Mizuho Securities made the biggest mistake in Japanese trading history. He meant to sell one share at 610,000 yen, but instead entered 610,000 shares at 1 yen. A disaster, a meltdown, a once-in-history opportunity. The entire market panicked. Investors froze. Brokers screamed. Everything crashed, except one man, Takashi Kotegawa. While others were terrified, Takashi calmly analyzed the order book and did the impossible. He bought the collapsing stock. Fast, fearless, accurate like a machine. In less than 1 day, he made over 2 billion yen. That's nearly 17 million USD. One single trade changed everything. But instead of fame, he disappeared deeper into silence. After the J-Com miracle, the media wanted him. News channels wanted his interview. Banks wanted to hire him. Investors wanted to follow him. But Takashi refused all of them. He stayed in the same small apartment, same chair, same computer, same cheap noodles for breakfast. While others spent millions to look rich, he lived like a monk. No car, no luxury, no parties, just charts and silence. He once said, "I'm scared of losing money. That keeps me alive." That mentality alone separated him from millions of traders worldwide. Around the late 2010s, something strange happened. Takashi Kotegawa slowly vanished. No more interviews, no social media, no public appearances. Some say he retired. Some say he shifted to long-term investments. Some even believe he uses a secret identity now. There's a rumor that he owns over 20 billion yen in assets, but the truth, no one knows, and maybe that's how he wanted it to be. Takashi Kotegawa is not just a trader. He is a symbol that you don't need. A billion-dollar hedge fund, a Wall Street office, or a team of experts. Sometimes, all you need is a room, a computer, and a mind sharper than fear. The real mystery isn't how he made money. The real mystery is how he remained invisible in a world where everyone wants fame. Maybe that's why the legend of Takashi Kotegawa still haunts the market today.